Hi everyone, I'm Ilbra with an appetite for travel. I'm a travel designer in Los Angeles. I am Assyrian, born in Iran, and I'm honored to be back here at the Cooking Nurse Studios with my dear friend Rita. Today, when we went to the market, after we did our shopping, I noticed Rita went for some ice cream to treat herself. And she got the Amarena ice cream, and I thought, she likes Amarenas. And to honor her and thank her for welcoming me back, I'm gonna make her a drink using her favorite Amarena, Smirnoff, and some ice and some lime. So here we go. Let's start off with a couple cubes of ice. Actually, let's do 3. All right. Fresh jar. Oh gosh, I love the smell of Amarena. I think they're almost like Luxardo cherries as well. Very similar, they've got the almond cherry aroma to them, and what I love about them, they've got this tartness and sweetness. It's a really nice balance of the two. I'm salivating. Let's dry my spoon. Go in with a clean spoon, get some of the syrup. Let's just get these babies in here. I'm so tempted to put a couple of these cherries in my mouth. She doesn't know that I'm making this for her. I like a lot of my cherries, a lot of these cherries in my drink, so. All right, we're gonna do a squeeze of lemon, take the seeds out. I personally like to use a spoon to get the juice of a lime out and make myself tall so I can be above the glass. It looks like we're getting some seeds in there, but I'll grab them out with the spoon. Fill it up with your Smirnoff. Give it a nice stir. I'm going to taste this. Oh my God, that's great. I'm gonna go in for another scoop, but this time I'm going to garnish the edge of the glass with the cherries. I think that should be good. Nothing fancy, but it's sure delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and add an herb to it, rosemary. I think it's gonna give it a nice fresh grassy feel to it, taste to it, so. Just gonna stir it. Voila, I'm gonna go give this to Rita. Surprise her. Rita. Hey. Hi. I have a little something for you. I got you this jar.
Thank you so much.
Wait. I gotta tell you why. I want to thank you for inviting me back, or allowing me to invite myself back. I'm just so happy to be back here. I had so much fun with you. I felt like I was with my sister last time, and happy to be back with my sister. So I'm really looking forward to sharing my culture with you and you sharing your culture with me. So I teach you something from my cuisine and you share with yours. Yeah, and I'm so excited. The two of us come together. Come here.
But give me the
Oh wait, okay, now you can have it.
Thank you. Thank you so
You gotta,
much.
don't drop it. I worked hard on it.
I know.
Okay?
I know.
All right.
Thank you.
So,
prawns, you guys.
yes, we must show the beautiful flags here. So, let me tell you. We've got the Cooking Nurse with the flag of Uganda. And we've got an Appetite for Travel, which is my business. I'm a travel agent. And this is my flag, the Assyrian flag. So we're representing our cultures, and we're gonna have fun today.
Yes, with the Amarenas.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. Okay. Thank you. I can't wait.
Let's go cook now.
Let's go. Yalla.